Boom. You know what this manila folder has in it? The keys to the G63 4x4. Can't wait to go check it out. Let's go see it. I am still just shook that we pulled this trade off. Can't believe it. I mean, no disrespect to the G550. Love them. We sell a bunch of them. But I never thought I'd be getting a G63 4x4 back for it, and definitely not a 2024 model. Boom. Oh, isn't she beautiful, Colin? Oh, she is. Oh, yeah. All right, I feel like Dave Portnoy, but G-Wagon on trade, you know the rules. G-Wagon on trade, MSRP, you know the rules. That's how we do it around here. Matte black on red. Matte black on red, G-Wagon on trade, you know the rules. Professional package, absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to have to open up this manila folder here because as a 2024, this is the previous gen, so I do have to use the key to get in. But look at this red interior. Classic red. This is the bright red pre-2025, so you can't get classic red anymore. Now it is red pepper, which is a little bit more of an orangey red. This is just such a classic spec. Matte black, classic red interior, black wheels, red brake calipers. This is, you know, Joe and I were talking in the video that you saw before, sometimes because we encourage you to get really crazy and fun with what you can do on these G-Wagons. You know, there's a lot of wild colors like the blues and the greens that we see. And, you know, sometimes we feel like we're doing a disservice to a classic combination like matte black on red. But matte black on red, this is an OG combo. This is always going to be stylish. It's always going to be in. Love the interior. It works so well on a G. And the matte black, I mean, God, man, just look how good that looks. So remember, this is a 2024, brand new, never titled, has been repaired. The axles have been repaired. It's good to go. Has the Pro Pack on it. So you've got the roof rack, got the carbon fiber up top. This one is $372,000 on the bean. And we are going to figure out where it's going. G-Wagon on trade, you know the rules. We're going to find a new home for it. Don't expect it to be around long. I have a list of people to reach out to that missed out on the first one. That one was a 2023. This one is a 2024. We're going to see what happens.